Hello everybody.
Yeah, we're up at MD Range again. And, you know, when you stay away from each other for a while, you got to really make a bang-up good time, don't you?
Yeah, we're going to bang it up.
Yeah, we're going to bring it up a bit.
Kaboom.
Really bang, bang, shang-a-lang. It's going to be, stick around and watch. And then you'll see how crazy we are, and you'll want to join us next time.
Okay, got the 1377 and one of Doc's 2-liter. How many PSI?
100 again.
Oh boy, it's going
Just
to go boom.
Wait a minute.
It's my first time shooting one of these today. Can you see where it is in here?
Should be.
I got the safety on, hang on. Whoa, it didn't pop it.
Huh. You want to put one of those in?
What? No. I'm just going to go to something bigger.
I'm surprised.
Did you hear how hard that thing hit it?
That's what the BBs do too.
Yeah, it bounced. It's not heavy enough grain.
Well, mine was light grain, but it was pointed. What are you running for? Is that a flat nose or what?
This is a super ultra magnum, I think. A domed ultra mag Crossman Premier.
If I don't, then you'll have to maybe...
The Phantom. Well, this is a almost 30-pound gun. This ought to do it.
How does that rate, ma'am, in your standard?
Rates number one. Number one in my books.
Kaboom. So we're going to start off with a little excitement of the day with some exploding targets. Backpacker. Back in the woods there's a steel plate.
Keep filming, and I'll show them exactly how far away.
There's a steel plate with one of them stuck to it. I think it's 30 yards from the other side of that chair. It's right there. Now come on back here, let me shoot it.
I can hardly see it.
Man, it blew up good the first time, last time. No, you won't be able to see it through that, I don't think, in the woods. I'll get it visible.
Tell me when you do that.
He told you! You weren't paying.
I mean, you're in the hole.
She's a howler, boys. Holy mackerel smoke bombs. Okay, we're going to do the explosive target one more time. Me and Doc's got all our stuff all over the place.
Doc hasn't seen some of this since
last year. Got the Red Rider. Yeah, some of this hasn't been seen since last year.
And don't forget the ones
pews over here.
And I still got one in the case.
Got the Phantom. And the QB on the PCP. And the Diana MOD 34. Now we're going to do a reactive target blow up. I'm going to do one. Then Doc's going to do one of his bottle ones. Get ready, here it comes. You'll see where it is. Oh! I did it again.
How many yards did you say that was, Tim, roughly?
31. Right here behind it.
Yeah.
It's a heavier pellet, though. I'm not used to it. Let's pop that thing. Yeah, they really go boom. Holy.
Let's see what the
Okay, Doc's got the Phantom on 100 PSI bottle. Whoa, they really go, eh?
That's louder than the explosives. Look at her.
There's no bears anymore. Wow.
Holy shit, is that loud?
Right on. Hit that explosive thing.
There it is.
Yeah. That was worth it. Yeah. Don't point that thing at me.
Well,
Is it working?
Okay, you ready? Listen to this, because it only goes.
Uh-oh.
It doesn't go because I had the safety on.
Yeah, oh, that big chunks go flying.
Okay, you get that running?
Yeah.
Okay, here comes the fun part. It's got a little switch here. Flick the switch and
Yeah. Aiming at the orange thing back there. Go a little bit high. Yeah. Oh, some of them bounce back.
I'm out of here.
Shit happened. Sorry.
I will put it down a single.
It's all fun and games if someone loses an eye.
We got safety glasses on the table.
I'm going to go stick up another one of these and blow it up.
Mariachis.
Here, grab that. I'm going to do that blowed up.
Come on, camera lady.
It's running right now.
What do you want me to do? Just hold it this way?
I'm going to shoot another explosive target.
Oh, down there.
Trick shot through the trees. Through between about 6 trees out here. See if I can hit it. Wow.
Still running.
Whoops.
Yeah. Try a hobby.
I don't know how much I got on camera because I jumped really bad there. Oh my god, it was like fireworks.
Thumper make the boom boom.
Oh, you would have rather been up there?
I don't know, maybe. Maybe I'd rather, see stars from here.
Got all our stuff all over the place here. Look at all the smoke. Holy mackerel.
Yeah, that's the smokiest one we've had so far.
Yeah, they really go boom. Do it. Did you get one in your ear?
The bug, yeah.
Well, shot again.
He's videoing.
It's empty?
I'm out.
Okay.
There's that
Shoot.
table you've been in there. So.
Yeah. Again.
James Bond girl.
Too high.
Hurry up, there's 7 seconds left.
Shoot the big one at the bottom, you'll feel better.
Remy and Doc.
No, you'll chew that one. The least you could do it.
Here you going? Come on up and see Daddy.
If you go nice, you can polish the guns. Just go back and forth and polish the guns. Whoops, it's slippery. Hang
Get up
on.
there, come on, son.
Told ya.
Come here, silly. He's okay. It's okay.
Don't do that.
You little baby. Come here. Come on up. Hi.
Watch it, he's around the nuts.
Remy.